Use a trim tool, get underneath this trim piece, and just pop it out. Take this little piece of tape off, set that aside. Take a T20 Driver, and we're going to loosen up the bolt in here. As you're doing that, this cover is going to come off on the outside. Just rock it back and forth. And just slide this out, just like that. You may have to have the handle up a little bit. Just take a straight blade screwdriver and just pop this cable out. There's a cable right there. You can slide this forward. It'll just come out like that. Around the perimeter of the door, there's all these screws. They're a T30, so use a T30 socket. You're going to take all those screws out from underneath and both sides. You can use a T20, take this screw out. And that'll slide right off. Be careful, you don't want to scratch any of the paint on this. Put it in a safe location. Take these two screws out. You're going to use a triple square socket. This is an M6 triple square. Now grab the latch and just slide it up a little, and wiggle it, and slide it out. Disconnect the connector right here, just push down on this tab, slide it off, and then disconnect the cable. You can just pop this side off first, slide that out, and then twist this to the side to release it. Now we're going to pop this shield off, just slide this back a little bit. There's a clip there and a clip there, and then a clip right there, and it slides right out. We're going to have to transfer this cable over to the new one. Just slide this back, twist it to the side, and it's going to slide out like that. Slide this, slide this over to the new one. It's going to slide on just like that. Now take the shield, slide that cable through the hole in the shield, line all the clips up, and lock it down. Now take the latch, and we're going to install the cable, have this upside down right here, and then twist it to the side, line that up, push down and secure that. You can connect the electrical connector, line that up, lock it in place. And then there is a little tab right here. There's a tab on the door, and that's going to go into that slot right there. So try to line that up. And then push down. And take the bolts, get those lined up. And then tighten these down. With that in place, now slide the cable through this piece and just line this up. It's going to sit right like that. All right, now take the outside panel, grab a couple of the screws so that when you line it up, you can just put those in. Just be careful. Oh, you don't want that to fall. It's lined up pretty good. Before I put all those screws in, I'm just going to take this tiny screw that goes into the handle, get that started so that that doesn't fall out. Good. All right, now I'm going to start tightening these down. Now just snug this bolt up. Now slide the handle in, this side first. Then you need to move this cable out of the way a little bit. And get the handle like that. That looks good. And then take the cable, with the handle pushed in, then press this cable in, just like that. That should feel like that. Then take the lock cylinder and just pull the handle out just a little bit. Slide it in position. So push that in flush with the door. And then you can take your driver and start tightening that screw. Now you can take that sticker and put that back over that hole right there. And then take this trim piece and slide it in position.